Alright guys, we're back. We're going to work on the recall, and I factored this other dog into the equation. So she's already kind of barking at the dog, getting her hair up and stuff. But I want you to realize a lot of her dog aggression is fear-based, because I told you, that when she, she's scared to death of that little blind dog and every other thing. You see she's got her hair. What happens with one like this, which Butter's not going to pay any attention to her. Xena? Good girl. Good girl. Again, I'm not going to punish her for chasing the dog or whatever, but I'm going to be able to interrupt that behavior by virtue of the behavior. You can see she's still all run down. Xena! Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. And that's why they have to be, in a more trained situation so that they can be around. You see that dog doesn't have any reaction to her. Xena! Good girl. A very overt physical response to that pager, and that's what you're looking for. Xena! Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. And when they're like that, afraid of other dogs and stuff, because this dog has, is obviously just minding its own business. Xena! Good girl. Xena! Good girl. Good girl. It's because they don't have any social skills. And then that's why later, when they're on the leash and they see another dog, I'll keep them away by my barking, and it usually works. And then the people tighten up on the leash and drag the dog away. So that's, again, it wouldn't be like, well, how do we correct, the dog lunging and barking on the leash and stuff. That's a symptom of the bigger problem. Butter, she can't even be bothered with such things. And she's trying to now kind of maybe get a little curious. That's her. Yeah, we're doing a problem with that dog. With that is if you've got another one that's the same way and it starts barking back at her, Butter's not going to do that. Because Butter knows all and she knows everything. She doesn't have the right. I'm not going to have any reaction to that. Oh, no, don't do that. It's your friend. It doesn't work. I got to tell you guys, I get emails all the time. Oh, it's reactive is the new word, but, really we have to realize, it's more fear-based aggression or whatever. We got to kind of call it what it is. But I get these emails all the time. It's a very common problem. But it's a symptom of the bigger problem. The bigger problem being that they don't have good social skills. Some of it's a genetic predisposition. I always tell Victoria that Dobermans, tend to be dog aggressive. She likes to stay right by you, though, and get the treats. But it's not something you would force them, to be around the other dog or whatever. She's got to learn to get social skills to be able to just say to the dog, you're here, I'm here. She's got a ways to go. Bye, you guys.